Dom here from Essential RC. Thanks for tuning in for another flight test, and this is really interesting. We do get sent some cool stuff to review. So this is the Go-Go Bird Eagle. It's an ornithopter, so basically it flaps its wings to stay in the air. Comes with everything in the box that you need to fly, less the AAAs you need to put in the back of the controller. Really easy to assemble, and it comes in a nice box as well. You just put the wing on top, and then there are two bolts to hold that on top, as well as the arms, which actually, you know, cause the flapping action. And then you've got the tail, which pushes onto the back as well, together with its two servos that and you also get sound effects as well, which you can turn off with one of the buttons on the controller. And there are two other buttons that will fly in a kind of round pattern or a rectangle pattern as well. And there's a slow mode and a fast flapping mode as well. So I'm really intrigued as to how this will fly. But here we go.
It's worth noting it is a little breezy.
It is a little breezy. So wind, I reckon it's about 5 to 10 miles an hour, Jason.
Yeah.
About that. So we're going to head off upwind. And then do a turn and try and stay within the patch. So here we go. So I don't know if you... So it's actually calling out the altitude to me as well, which is a nice feature. So I'm just steering it left and right, but it's maintaining pretty much the same altitude. Into wind, now turning downwind. See if I can give you a low pass, Jason.
Yep, I'm ready.
That is so cool.
You got company while you're flying there, Dom.
I know, he's not too happy, is he?
Keep going, keep going.
Oh my god! Oh my god, that's a kite. Look how big it is.
Well, testament to it looking quite real.
Did you see how big that kite was?
I was just saying it's a testament to how real it looks in the sky.
I know. Obviously we have encroached on the territory of the kite, and he's not too happy about the eagle being here.
He's still kicking about.
He's still patrolling. I'm not going to lie, it is a little bit challenging to fly in wind. And once you turn up, once it's gone downwind and you turn into wind, you're flapping, but all you're doing is gaining height. So then you have to take the power off, and then it will descend and glide forwards, and then you do the same again to make headway upwind. So we'll have to learn how to fly it a bit better. So that was fun, but I think we'll leave it there because we don't want to interfere too much more with the kites, who obviously feel this is their domain. So thanks for watching this Essential RC flight test. If you enjoyed it, I'm a little out of breath. If you've enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. You might want to subscribe. Click the bell icon for notifications of our future uploads. But thanks to Jason on camera, as always. And we'll see you for the next one really soon. Thanks for watching. Go, go, bird. Oh my God, that's a kite. Look how big it is.
Well, testament to it looking quite real.